Okay, so this is like my fourth time trying to upload this video. I'm not sure if I'm just not understanding. I visited the prompts and the how-to video and everything, and I'm thinking I'm not getting it. But anyhow, again, my name is Veronica Santamaria, recently married. So I am now Garcia. I just haven't changed all my information with Brandman. I am currently living in Corcoran, California, Central Valley. I was born and raised here. Well, actually born in Hanford, a town over, but pretty much, in here my whole life. I did live in Texas for a short while, which is where my mom's from. I was in the military, and now I am back. Um, I have four children. One is a bonus son, and I currently work for the Kings County Human Services, which is the welfare department. I also worked with nonprofit for 8 years prior to that. I currently am going to Brandman to become a child psychologist, which is my ultimate goal. But in between then, I want to see if I can get my MFT to work with families and possibly even at the school. One person that I look up to is my sister, my oldest sister. She was 14 when she had her first child, 15 when she had her second child. She graduated high school with honors and she became a double major. So she's the epitome of if there's a will, there's a way. There was a lot of support from my family. To helping her get to where she needed to be. It was hard. She overcame a lot of obstacles and struggles, but she did it. So that's something that's very commendable to me, and why I look up to her. My dream vacation would be Morocco. It just seems so glamorous and elegant, and I would just love to visit. I read about it in books and movies, and it seems interesting, and it's somewhere that's not close by. One good vacation that we did take, or best vacation, would be with all our children, since I do have a bonus son. We do, have him every other weekend and holidays and during breaks and everything. But with our conflicting schedules, sometimes we alternate or we become considerate of each other and say, hey, can we, we trade weekends? Can we do this? Do we that? And it's just kind of hard because we both have, or all of us have full schedules. I work, go to school, have kids in sports, he's in sports. So we travel out of city to or town over to go see his games and on and off and then my husband is a head coach. We're the offensive coordinator under the head coach, so he's like the assistant head coach, I guess you could say, for our varsity high school. And so he does that. Even though football just ended, it kind of started again with all the training and the off season and the tournaments and all that good stuff. Also, um, there's not really much more to me other than that, and getting really frustrated with this video thing that I'm not able to figure out. So, like I said, I've recorded about 4 or 5 times and it hasn't uploaded quite correctly. But I wish you all good luck, and I'm eager to get to know you guys, even if it's not face to face, but getting to know you just by what you put out there. And I hope you guys get the best you can out of this course. And again, good luck, and this is me.